In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Cloudflare account and add your domain. First things first, you'll need to sign up for an account with Cloudflare, which is a powerful platform that optimizes the security and performance of your website. Once you're on their website, look for the sign up button and click on it. You'll be prompted to enter your email address and create a password. Make sure to choose a strong password, as this will be a critical part of keeping your account secure. After you're logged into Cloudflare with your shiny new account, the next step is to add your domain. On the Cloudflare dashboard, you'll find an option to add a site. Enter the domain name you want to protect and optimize with Cloudflare services. Then Cloudflare will scan your existing DNS records. This process might take a few moments as Cloudflare automatically detects your records. Once it's done scanning, you should carefully review the ones that have been detected. This is the moment to verify that all your DNS records have been accurately scanned. If anything is missing, make sure to add it manually to avoid any disruptions to your site's functioning. Now that you have verified those records, it's time to change your domain's name servers to Cloudflare's. You'll find these name servers explicitly listed on your Cloudflare dashboard. Copy them, as these are the ones you'll need to use. The way name servers work is they tell the internet where to find your website, and changing them to Cloudflare's helps manage traffic to your site more securely and efficiently. Head over to your domain registrar or wherever you've registered your domain and look for the domain management section. You might find it under settings labeled as something like DNS or name servers. Replace your existing name servers with the ones provided by Cloudflare. Please note that changes to name servers might take up to 24 hours to propagate, though it often happens much faster. If you're using Hostinger or any other hosting service, you may need to update DNS records here as well to make sure everything matches what you have in Cloudflare. This ensures that your site is fully operational without any glitches during the transition phase, and that all settings align perfectly. Now, with those sections taken care of, let's focus on enhancing your site's security and performance through SSL and caching. Go back to your Cloudflare dashboard and ensure you enable SSL. This is crucial for securing connections between your users and your site by encrypting that data, greatly reducing the risk of breaches or unwanted access. While you're there, also enable caching, which helps your website load faster. Caching stores essential website data for quick access to users, speeding up load times, a crucial step for better user experience and higher search engine rankings. And there you have it. Following these instructions will help you successfully create a Cloudflare account and enhance your domain's performance and security. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to check out our other videos for more insightful tutorials.